Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to get your normal desktop as well as normal desktop tiles on your Windows computer. So you may find yourself in a situation where your computer looks like this and you have no idea what you're looking at here. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully go about resolving this and turning back to your normal desktop view. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. So what you want to do first is select the settings icon on the left side where you hover over it. It says settings. So go ahead and just left click on that. Now you want to select the system tile. Select tablet on the left side, and then there should be settings here when I sign in. Just disable this by clicking inside the drop down and select never use tablet mode. And then when I use this device as a tablet, check mark and then select ask me before switching modes. You can also, when I sign in, if you want to allow yourself to keep the mode you last used, you can. Otherwise, we're just going to set it to never use tablet mode, which is probably good because we're trying to get out of that for right now. So once you've done that, we can go ahead and just sign out of our computer. Just right click on the start button and then hover over shut down or sign out. Select the sign out option. And then it's going to take us back to the lock screen here. We're going to go just type in your password if you have one. And once your desktop loads, it should be back to the normal Windows desktop environment. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.